Hello, curious cubs. Welcome back to our fun series, Ingredients of Food. In the last episode, we learned about the main ingredients of food. And today, we're going to explore one of the most important and yummy ones, carbohydrates. A little history, do you know? Long ago, when humans were hunters and gatherers, they mostly survived on fruits, roots, and grains. All of these were rich in carbohydrates. When farming started about 10,000 years ago, people began growing rice, wheat, and maize. These crops became the main food for civilizations, and they still give energy to billions of people today. So, carbohydrates have been our fuel since the beginning of history. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are like the battery of our body. They give us quick energy to run, play, think, and even breathe. Scientists divide carbohydrates into two types: simple carbohydrates, quick energy like sugar, honey, and fruits; complex carbohydrates, slow and steady energy like rice, wheat, corn, and potatoes. Why are carbohydrates important? They give instant energy to the body. They are the main source of fuel for the brain and muscles. They store energy for later use in the form of glycogen. They even help in keeping us active and happy. That's why about half of our daily food should come from carbohydrates. Sources of carbohydrates. Let's see where we get them from. Rice, wheat, maize, millet bread, pasta, chapati, noodles, potatoes, sweet potatoes, fruits, sugar, honey, jaggery, gur. Fun fact, did you know potatoes are almost 80% carbohydrate? That's why we feel full and energetic after eating them. Too much or too little? If we eat too little carbs, we feel weak and tired. But if we eat too much, it gets stored as fat in our body. So kids, balance is the key. Fun activity, interactive for kids. Okay, cubs, let's play a quick game. I will name a food and you shout out carb power if it has carbohydrates. Rice, carb power. Milk, not much. Potato, carb power. Fish, no, that's protein. Awesome, you're getting good at this. Quick recap. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. They come from grains, fruits, sugar, potatoes, and more. They are essential but should be eaten in balanced amounts. Quiz time. What is the main role of carbohydrates in our body? Name 2 foods rich in carbohydrates. What happens if we eat too much carbohydrate? Think about it and share your answers in the comments below. Ending so, cubs? Today, we discovered that carbohydrates are our body's fuel, just like petrol for a car or battery for a toy. Next time you eat rice, bread, or fruits, remember, you're charging up your body's energy tank. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next episode where we'll talk about another super nutrient, proteins, the bodybuilders. Bye-bye, cubs!